Are you ready? Let's get moving. Swing the arms. Nice 10-minute cardio and stretch session for you today. We're going to boost our mood, elevate our energy. We're going to increase our flexibility. Just move around your space. Get the arms swinging in every direction. Go forwards, backwards, small circles, big circles. Dynamic moves around. Good little hugs. Elbows up high. Just move that upper body and the lower body in any which way that gets you warmed and fired up for another amazing session where you continue to show up for yourself, build amazing discipline and consistency, become that best version of ourselves. Okay. Nice wide stance. I'm going to try to reach my toes. Bend your knees. You're going to sink a little bit deeper into each movement. If you can get to your toes, great. Maybe you're up here. Hallelujah. We're moving our bodies. I got a comment about the inner critic, that voice in our head. Tells us we're not good enough, strong enough, fast enough, smart enough. All those things. We're never going to silence that voice completely. But what if we welcomed it? Hello, old friend. What do you have to teach me today? Use it as fuel. I am good enough. And you are enough. Reach it out. Stretch it down there. Come on up. Nice. Let's just do a nice step back with a shoulder roll. Building mobility in the shoulders. We're just going backwards with our shoulder roll. I like that idea. Rather than resisting that voice in our head, which happens, we can simply just notice, accept that it's there, and smile at it, laugh at it. Let's go forward with our shoulder roll. Oh yeah. Step back. Hello, old friend. You're here to teach me something. Excellent. And last one. Brilliant. Let's go. We're building up our cardio. Getting that heart pumping. Just a nice lateral movement. Let's bring a twist in. Modify every exercise. Do what's best for you. This is why I think practicing presence, having that little mindful moment at the end of every session, when we can be more present, we notice, hey, so I get to choose what to put my attention on. I can put it on, oh, maybe I'm not good enough. Why am I doing this? Who am I to be on YouTube doing workout videos? I'm not strong enough. Okay, shake that out. Shake, shake, shake. Let's go with some knee hugs. Just keep moving. We're staying active. Get a great stretch as we bring our knee up as high as we can. And you can come out a little bit further so we get a nice stretch of the groin as well. We all have that voice that tells us, so many self-deprecating thoughts. Oh, you're back. Hello. That bully in our head. We don't have to listen to it. If any friend talked to us the way that voice in our head did, we ditch him long ago. We can always replace the negative thought with a positive one. We can just notice, it's an interesting human quality, that inner critic. Let's shake that out. Okay, let's sidestep. Arms up with a bit of a roll. So it's almost like a elbow circle. Heating up, building strength in the shoulders, the upper body, keeping that lower body moving. I like that. Inner critic, no, turn it into our inner coach. Okay, you're back. That's the reality. What do you have to say? I welcome you. Continue to breathe through everything we do. Bring ultimate presence. Okay. Ooh, shake that out a bit. Take in your space. Go for a bit of a walk, forwards and backwards. Backwards walking is really great for us. Just use different muscles. Proprioception, that sense of our space is great. Hopefully you have some room to move around. Just backwards and forwards. Just notice. This is great when we're barefoot too. Building muscles in our feet that we normally wouldn't when we have our feet encased in shoes. Feeling good yet? Yeah, you are. I'll be that inner coach. You are enough. That's it. That's the truth. I am that I am. Okay, just shake it out. Just a little pulse squat. Continuing to build flexibility and strength in our legs. Long life, strong legs. It's so true. Honor these incredible legs that we have. Reach it out when we get to the top. Let's stretch out the upper body too. Oh, there we go. Really reach it back. Brilliant. Stick with me. Let's challenge ourselves a bit here to continue with this move. Walking is the best exercise, the best form of movement. Yeah, there is no best. It is great. But the simple bodyweight squat to build strength truly is a simple and yet incredibly powerful move. Couple more. If we just hold it, come down just for a moment. Just hold that for a second. I think I can. Because you can. And up. Oh. Shake the legs out. Shake out the arms. We're almost there for today. Oh, feeling good. Let's go. Step, step, step. Engage your core. Take your step, and let's really reach it out though. Come as far with that leg as you can. We do lots of these just nice step moves. We're trying to stretch it out, increase our flexibility. Bit of a twist now as well. Maybe you're just here. How amazing. Maybe we could just go out just a little bit further with each movement. Oh, yes. Oh, yeah. Feel that in the glutes, lower back. What a move. Last one now. Oh, movement is magic. I know when I move, it definitely helps with that inner critic. Help me to change it. Again, yeah, it's my inner coach. Let's just watch. Some of us call it the third eye. Just put your attention right here. Wait for the next thought. Can we find a moment of stillness? No mind. Actually, noticing when there is no thoughts. It can be really liberating. And just be. Now, first thought comes up, just notice it. Oh, that's not me. That's the voice in the head. Welcome. And just let it pass on by. I don't have to pay attention to you. I can just be. Oh, well done today. Comment, job done, showed up, life is great. Thank you for showing up again and again. Truly does matter. I will see you tomorrow. Yes.